I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Ngayon ngang May 9, 10, and 11, 2025 sa Mega Trade Hall, SM Mega Mall ay magkakaroon nga ng bridal pair. At talaga namang itong ating Tito A at Mami Maricel nga rin ay nandito. Dahil talaga namang itong sila Mami Maricel at Tito A ay sobrang success nga ng kanilang marriage. Kaya naman ang mga bula naniniwala na ito ngang ating couple ay magiging ganito rin kagaya ng parents ni Donnie. Pero ito na nga guys sa pag-uusapan natin.
The fights are what? It's part of life, you know.
Yeah.
And
We have a motto. What's our motto?
fight together, not each other. But she always fights me. So, without our mentors, without our counselors, coaches, matagal na kami naghiwalay. So there are people who hold us accountable, who make sure that we're accountable to each other.
One of the things that's important that we agreed from day one is that if we have a problem, we can only share it to 4 specific people. Not outside of that. Not on social media. Not to our kids. Just among these 4 people.
One of the most important practices connected to that was, meron kasi akong mentor even before we got married. And kaming dalawa, lahat pinag-uusapan namin, I always run to him. And then nung makilala niya, pinakilala ko talaga yung mentor ko sa kanya. And then nagkaroon kami ng kasunduan that she could call him anytime kung meron kaming issue. Ang laking tulong nun. So, pag tinext ako ng mentor ko, Anthony, tumawag si Maricel. Alam ko na.
Sumbong. Yeah,
Sumbong
so
na yan.
it's important kasi to respect each other in that way na whatever issues you have among each other, sa inyo lang. Kasi pag lumabas yon, tapos hindi na makontrol kung ano pa yung mga dagdag na salita na manggagaling doon, kayo din yung masisira eh. Kasi ayos na kayo, pero hindi sila ayos, di ba?
Na maaasahan mo siya sa lahat. You know, not just me, but my kids. We all run to mom. She's a reliable partner. And that has really encouraged me through the years.
For me, I'm grateful to have a husband who is very secure with himself. Kasi when Anthony and I got married, I was at the top of my career. And hindi yun yung naging issue sa kanya. Si Anthony is, "Han, you can be more." He's my #1 supporter, cheerleader. He's my #1 fan.
I want to say thank you because of you. Sabi ko nga, wala ako sa kalahati kung sino ako kung wala ka sa buhay ko. You are a gift from the Lord and I appreciate that gift every day of my life. And I know that if I hold on to that, the best is yet to come for us. For our marriage, for our relationship with each other, for our family. So maraming salamat.
Thank you for being the faithful husband and wonderful father to our children. Thank you for becoming my dream come true and introducing the Lord to my life. Because of that, I know I can be more. And because I can be more, I am fulfilled that I can also help others improve their lives. Thank you because you are my best friend.
You're welcome.